Hello friends, today I will show you how to use simulation for building simple circuits. This simulation is available on PHET website. You can open it in your browser such as Chrome or Internet Explorer. You can use your phone or desktop to access this simulation. Link for this simulation I have already shared. Let me open the browser. You can type the address of the website for the simulation. With this simulation, you can build simple circuits. There are two parts. One is a basic introductory part and other part is a laboratory, a lab part. Let us go through the introduction part. Once it comes up, you can see two panes, one on the left hand side and one on right hand side. The pane on the left hand side has lot of components like wire, battery, light bulb and so on. You can go through all the available components by clicking either here or here. This is your canvas where you can build a circuit. To drag the component, you have to left click and drag it like this and release the mouse. Similarly, you can do the same thing for other components. Once on the canvas, you can move the component the way you want with your mouse. To delete the component, select it and hit delete. Or you can use delete key on your keyboard. On your right hand side, you can see some labels. This is voltmeter, this is ammeter. How to use it, we will see by building a simple circuit. So let us use these components to build a simple circuit. For that, I need battery, I need bulb and some wires. Let me connect it quickly. I am using mouse to rearrange the wires the way I want it. My circuit is complete and current is flowing through it. Now I can use various options here on your right hand side to know more about the circuit. I can check this option and see the flow of current, flow of electrons I will say, or the conventional current. I can uncheck this option. I can see the values of each component. Right now, bulb is offering a resistance of 10 ohm and battery is 9 volt rating. Clicking once on the component opens up a small panel. Here, I can use the slider to change the value. As I increase the voltage, my bulb glows up. As I decrease it, it becomes dimmer. I can change the direction of current by just clicking here once, like this. Let us use voltmeter to measure voltage across various locations. Let's drag it on the canvas. I can place one probe here and another probe here. It is 4.5 volt. Same thing I can use for other component. Once my usage is over, I can drag it back into this pane. Similarly, I can drag ammeter to measure current. With the help of mouse, I can move the probe around, keep it on the wire and see the current flowing through that location. It is 0.45 ampere. I can do this at multiple places on the circuit. This circuit has lot of pictures in it. What if I want to draw a schematic? I can just click this option. Now it becomes more of a diagram you see in the textbook. Suppose you want to take a screenshot of the circuit you have drawn. Next to PHET you can see 2-3 dots. Right clicking here, you can select the screenshot and image will be saved in your local hard drive. You can open that image and share it with your teachers or friends. I hope this much information is enough for you to start building the circuit using this simulation. Now that you know how to use this simulation, here are some assignments for you to work on. You can submit all your assignments either through WhatsApp or an email. Thank you.